In the name of Allah Almighty, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine with the blessings of Allah. Before we are going to start our new work, first of all, we have to revise our previous work. Are you ready? That's great. I'm your teacher. My name is Saher Gill. Now look at here. 15th April 2021 and the day was Thursday. And our topic is alphabets. We learned about the capital A and the small a, capital B and small b. Again, capital A, small a, capital B, small b. A and B. Again, A and B. Look at here. Activity: write the beginning sound of pictures. What is this? Apple, aeroplane, butterfly, balloon and ball. You have to write here the first letter. Okay, this is your work. I hope you done it very neatly. And what is the next week work? What was the day? 19th April 2021 and the day was Monday. And our topic is again alphabets. A, B, C, D. Again, A, B, C, D. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. Again, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. Small a, small b, small c, small d. Again, small a, small b, small c, small d. Again, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. Small a, small b, small c, small d. Look at here. Activity: write small alphabets from A to D. A, B, C, D. Again, A, B, C, D. Here is another activity for you. Draw two things which starts from B and C and also color them. You have to draw two things which starts from B and C and color. I know you done it very neatly. Okay, I will check it and give them to stars. What is this? Wow, taste of the week. Have you learned it? Very good. Okay, first of all, you have to tell me how many days are in a week. Anybody knows? Yes. Very good. 7 days. How many days? 7 days. Again, 7 days. Monday, Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tues, Tues, Day, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many days are in a week? 7 days. Very good. Here is the third week work. What was the day? Thursday. Very good. And what is this? A for apple, B for ball, C for candle, D for drum. Again, A for apple, B for ball, C for candle, D for drum. Turn your page. E for envelope, F for fish. Again, E for envelope, F for fish. Very good. What is this? Alphabets? Capital? Yes, what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, I'm waiting. Capital E, small e. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Now today is your fourth week work and we are going to revise our alphabets. You have to write here capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, and so on. Okay? Oh, what is this? This is day. This is day now? Yes, this is date. Very good. What is the date today? 26th April 2021. Again, 26th April 2021. And what is the day today? What comes after Monday? Sorry, what comes after Sunday? Yes, Monday. What comes after Sunday? Monday. M-O-N, Mon, D-A-Y, day. Monday. Again, M-O-N, Mon, D-A-Y, day. Monday. You have to write here all alphabets from A to F. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Like this. Hold your pencil. Start writing with me. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. A, B. What comes after B? Yes, C. Capital C, small c. A, B, C. What comes after C? Capital D. Right here, capital D, small d. A, B, C, D, then E. Capital E and small e. A, B, C, D, E, and what comes after E? F. Right here, capital F and small f. This is your work you have to do with the help of your parents neatly. I will give you a stars and smiling face. Turn your page. Wow, what is this? Activity. Write the missing capital letter for each day. You have to write here missing capital letter. First of all, you have to know about the letter. Okay, what is this? Monday. And which letter is missing here? Yes, M. Very good. Right here, capital M. Tuesday. Right here, capital T. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You have to do all the work with the help of your parents. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.